Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Open WPS spreadsheets and create a new workbook or import your existing XLSX file. You want to set locale and decimal separators first so formulas behave predictably. Next, name and save the file to a specific folder. This prevents confusion later when linking data. Create headers in row 1 and format them as bold. This helps formulas and filters reference ranges correctly. Once headers exist, enter a few sample rows so you can confirm formatting and formulas in the next steps. Convert your data range to a table to enable structured references and auto-expansion. This simplifies formulas. Then add core formulas: SUM for totals, average for means, IF for logic, and VLOOKUP or XLOOKUP for lookups. Use $to-lock references when copying formulas. Apply data validation to key columns to prevent bad entries, and use conditional formatting to surface outliers or errors visually. Once formulas are in place, copy them down the table or use column formulas so new rows can finalize by checking page layout and print area. Pick orientation and scaling so tables print legibly. Protect sheets or locked cells to prevent accidental edits, and save a backup in the cloud or a versioned folder. If numbers look wrong, troubleshoot by inspecting formula ranges, ensuring decimal separators match locale, and verifying cell formats are numeric, not text. If a formula shows an error, step into it with the formula bar to see which reference or operator is failing and correct it before sharing the file.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.